mobilizing the desktop. The Surface Book's other signature trick is the screen can pop off the base with just the tap of a button. Technically, Microsoft is coming late to the 2-inch-1 laptop game, with various devices being able to do the same, including Acer's Switch family, Toshiba's Quick Notebooks, some HP devices, and the list goes on. However, no one has made a system as seamless as the Surface Book. Undocking and attaching the clipboard is nearly as seamless as the Surface Book's design. After either pressing the eject button on the keyboard or the virtual button in the taskbar, the screen will blink off for a second and then notify you it's safe to detach the screen with one quick tug. Surface Book. It's fast and simple, however, the timing takes a little getting used to. After you get the prompt to detach the screen, you have to wait for about half a second before you can actually lift the display off its base. Another unique feature to this notebook is it's the first to integrate a discrete graphics processor, or GPU, into a hybrid system. Tucked underneath the keyboard is a customized NVIDIA GeForce GPU that makes this laptop just a bit more capable with media production and gaming. We've seen this sort of GPU docking technology before in machines like the MSI GS30 Shadow with gaming dock and Alienware's GPU amplifier solution. Microsoft has improved upon dockable graphics, as the Surface Book just needs a short moment to disengage the extra parts, whereas both the Alienware and MSI solutions require the laptop to reboot completely. It's a neat feature that allows me to quickly show a friend something cool, or when I want to read a digital comic book without having to lug the whole laptop around. But it didn't really click with me until I realized how easily it lets me bring my entire PC to another place without having to disconnect my external monitor, keyboard, mouse, Xbox controller and all my other peripherals at home.